In this video, I'm going to show you how to use side panels in Notion, a simple but powerful feature that can completely change how you multitask, reference information, and work faster inside your workspace. Side panels let you open pages next to each other instead of constantly switching back and forth, and once you start using them, it's hard to go back. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips, workflows, and productivity tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and navigate to any page in your workspace. This can be a document, a database, or even a linked page. Side panels work across almost all page types in Notion, so you don't need anything special set up to start. Now, the easiest way to open a side panel is by using links. Hover over any page link inside Notion. When you see the link, right-click on it. From the menu that appears, click Open in SidePeek. As soon as you do this, Notion will open that page in a panel on the right side of your screen, instead of replacing your current page. This allows you to keep your main page open while viewing or editing another page at the same time. Another way to open side panels is through databases. If you're inside a database view, like a table or board, click on any item. By default, Notion often opens database items in a side panel automatically. If it opens full screen instead, look in the top right corner of the page and click the Open as SidePeek option. This is especially useful when reviewing tasks, notes, or records without losing context. Once the side panel is open, you can interact with it just like a normal page. You can scroll, edit text, add blocks, or even open links inside that panel. If you click a link inside the side panel, Notion will stack another panel on top of it, letting you drill deeper while still keeping your original page visible in the background. To manage your side panels, look at the top of the panel. You'll see options to close it, expand it to full page, or keep it docked. If you want to focus on the content, click the expand icon to turn it into a full page. If you're done with it, simply close the panel to return to a clean workspace. Side panels are perfect for referencing notes while writing, checking tasks while planning, or comparing information side by side. They save time and reduce distractions by keeping everything in one view instead of opening multiple tabs. Before we wrap up, here's a quick productivity tip. Try using side panels while working with templates or databases. For example, keep your guidelines open in a side panel while filling out entries in your main workspace. This small change can significantly speed up your workflow. And that's how you use side panels in Notion. If this video helped you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy step-by-step Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.